Usually, I would remove all of the soil from the plant. In addition, I will remove most of the roots. Even if you remove all of the roots, it's not going to hurt the plant. Just imagine, as I showed you, this plant can grow out of a single leaf. So when you remove the roots, the plant will be very resilient, and new roots would grow from the stem. You only need to leave some roots so the plant can be anchored by the remaining stem and roots. Now I have removed the old roots, so I have to decide which pot should I use. I can use this one, which is pink, it's pretty, or I can use this pot, which is green. I kind of think the green one is probably a better pot. What do you think? I think it will do well here in this green pot. When you select the pot to grow your succulents, it's very important to have drainage hole. And this pot I bought from Dollarama. The water drainage is not great because there is a dish which is supposed to catch the water, but it actually does not drain very well. So I made a hole at the bottom from this dish, so now it can drain a lot better. But because the drainage hole is relatively small and the potting mix might clog the pot, so I'm going to put a little mesh here so the potting mix will not block the drainage hole. I'm adding a scoop of the clay ball in the pot. It can also protect the bottom drainage hole as well as to reduce the volume of soil in the pot. This pot is not too bad because it's glazed. It does not allow a lot of air into the pot. That is why I don't want to have a lot of soil in this pot. I have prepared the potting mix, and this is 1 scoop of peat, and here is another scoop of diatomite. And here is another scoop of river sand. And here is bonsai gravel. I don't know how to call it, but any gravel would do. And so they will provide very good drainage and loose mix for the plant. I'm going to also add 1 spoonful of zeolite. Now, so I'm going to mix them all together so the ratio is 1/4 peat and 3/4 of gravel. Diatomite is more like a soft gravel because it has good ability to retain water, but it will not cause the waterlog. With this kind of a mix, if you provide sufficient sunlight, Luella will likely continue to retain its beautiful red color, as well as grow with the optimum health. It will be very good for the roots. Also, at the near top of the soil, I'm going to add a spoonful of the vermiculite. It is wonderful to help the new root to form. And some people might prefer to dry the roots before they plant into the pot. It is a great idea. The reason I don't have to do it is because first, my soil is dry because I didn't water the plant when I decide to repot. And the media is dry. I didn't water it, but 3 days after I finish the potting, I will soak the pot very well so the plant would have a chance to heal if there are any injuries. So I'm going to finish adding the potting soil here. This is Echeveria Luella after being repotted. Do you like it? I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.